Do you get excited when you read articles about nutrition, mindfulness, and energy healing? Do you spend long hours researching on such topics, healing, alternative, and holistic healing? If your answers are yes and yes and yes, then I hope the next 1-2 minutes of the sharing you will find it informative. Hi, good morning. I'm Liz, and meet my colleague Jessie. And we also have Eleanor, our admission director at Santa Cruz. The first wealth is health, as penned by Ralph Emerson. So do you take charge of your own health and well-being? It is indeed the best investment. We have thousands of years ago, our Greek physician who had described our body as being able to heal itself. And he also advocated food and lifestyle as thy medicine. Such wonderful findings. Today, efforts are being geared towards integrative medicine. We have both the conventional and the holistic medicines coming together, giving each its best for optimum patient's health. Okay, ready for the 5 W's? Who are those currently studying TCM and acupuncture, or even those who have already graduated? Now, I'm sharing from 5 branches students' profile. We have the pharmacist here, we have the chiropractor, we have the nurses, the Western doctors, occupational therapists, mental health therapists, and we have dancers, journalists, interior designers, and of course students. They are practically people from all walks of life. And the next is, why are these students committed to a 4 years education? Practically 80% of them explain that they have experienced the benefits of TCM and acupuncture on themselves, and that is reason why they chose to pursue this education. The remaining 20% will say that they have witnessed the benefits of acupuncture and TCM medicines on their loved ones and friends. And they too chose this education to maintain their own health and eventually to become a healer. Now, the next is, what can I do if I am working full-time and I'm interested in this education? Well, if your work schedule will allow you to be away for at least 3 hours a week, like from 9 to 12, or 1 to 4, or even from 4 to 7, you can very likely be one of our non-degree seeking students. For more information about this, you can either contact myself or Jessie or even Eleanor to have more information. All right, the next very often asked question is, which is the best TCM school? This is a very subjective answer. I would say 5 branches may not necessarily be the top best, but indeed we are one of the very, very best. Now, check for yourself. Call us, arrange for a campus tour, and tell us your experience. All right? And coming to this, now your next question, where do I go from here? 5 Branches University is accepting application for fall 2019. The deadline is August the 9th. August the 9th is just around the corner. So if you want to apply, you can visit our website, or if you're still in doubt, call us at 408-260-0208. We are always here to help you make the first step to become a healer. Thank you.